About to serve dinner. This looks so good. We got some white rice. Put some white rice right here. Looks so good. Let me see if I can pick this up. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up like this. Got some broccoli. Some broccoli. Some broccoli. Ooh. Having some broccoli. Having like broccoli too. Should have made 2 picks. We like our vegetables. Oh, darn it. Made a mess. Wipe it up. Wow. Wow. Oh yes, this looks so good. Get some sauce. Okay. Mess I made again. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's cut this piece. Ooh, it's for Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
This is for Heaven. I'll take this piece. Looks so yummy, but I'm gonna put it right there because I don't want it on top of my food. Here go your food, Heaven. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bismillah.
The food looks amazing.
Here go your food, Hassan.